Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing video, how to make your own PC. You might have seen that you already got one over here. We're going to be showing you the parts that you're going to need to do this. Let's get started. So let's get right into this. So what we got here, the box of the PC. This is going to be where everything's going to go in this box. Let's go on to the next item. So our second box, we already know what this is. It's a power supply. It's on the box. Boom, power supply. Bada bing, bada boom. It's out of here. Oh, we got the most important part of a PC. The PC fans. These ones light up because we're cool. We got the GPU. You might be thinking, but the GPU is way more important than the fans. But no, this one doesn't light up. So it's not cool enough to be important. Got a couple things in this box. We've got some GPU cables. Dang, you might be thinking those look nice. They are. They're almost more important than the GPU. Now this bad boy is the motherboard. It's where everything's gonna be going on to. This might look like a small box. That's because we're going IPX. That just means small. You might be thinking to yourself, you know what color scheme we're going with now. You're right. We're going with green and white. Bada boom, bada bing. We got a CPU. It comes with the CPU cooler. You might be wondering what that CPU is. So we open the C. Bada boom, bada bing. It's our pretty boy right there. We're just gonna put that off to the side right now because this ain't a how-to video. That'll be coming soon. Follow me on YouTube. We got CPU fan. Also nothing special. This is our storage. We're gonna be using this just for the operating drive. Got some cool RGB RAM. We've got our 2 terabyte drive, but that's gonna be our mass storage in our games because we don't use SSDs because we're broke.
Okay, there's more.
Oh, and you know what? When you unbox all this, apparently you get an $80 gift card.
No
Don't use that code. Bring it back up to me. So this has been my unboxing video. Make sure you like and subscribe, unless you're watching this in a classroom, in which case I hope this was beneficial to your intelligence. And I'll catch you next time.